Welcome to What Do We Feed Our Children? Because I want to be as hands-on as possible and help you be as quick as possible, we'll go straight to showing you which it is, what it is, and how to make the recipe. Yes, you guessed it. It's a milkshake with milk 15 fluid ounces, bananas about 7.7 ounces, and seeds mix 3.5 ounces. To make the drink as smooth as possible, first we grind the seeds separately. We add them to the large container. We also add the bananas and the milk. Mix for about 1 minute. The first time I tried to make a milkshake, I used milk, bananas and ice cream. That's what a certain recipe that I found at the time said. This drink was like a treat, kind of a delight. Later, it became a necessity. Whether I was leaving for the office in a hurry, or working from home and waking up a little later and needing to quickly start working, I needed something quick for breakfast. That's how I ended up using this milkshake and replacing the ice cream with something healthier and more consistent, the seeds mix. Doing this quite often on certain mornings, came the little one, which obviously got involved in the process, and especially in the consumption process. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we do. Until next time, stay healthy and cheerful.